Did you know that as of January 2024, over 11% of Americans are living with diabetes? If you're one of them or know someone who is, then this video is a must-watch. Hey there, fellow health enthusiasts! Welcome back to Nourishing HR. Today, we're diving into the world of fruits and their impact on blood sugar levels, specifically for those with diabetes. We all know that a balanced diet includes fruits, but finding the right ones that won't cause a spike in blood sugar levels can be a challenge. That's why we're here to guide you through the best and worst fruits for diabetes. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which fruits you should be eating to keep your blood sugar in a healthy range. Say goodbye to confusion and hello to delicious diabetes-friendly fruits. When it comes to managing diabetes, knowing how to incorporate fruits into your diet is important. It is not necessary to completely eliminate fruits from your meals, but rather choose wisely so that you can enjoy them without causing sudden increases in your blood sugar levels. Before we discuss the best fruits for you, let's address some important matters first. Some people are afraid of eating fruits because they believe that the sugar in fruits can raise their blood glucose levels. If you're one of those people, it is important to note that although fruits have higher amounts of natural sugars compared to vegetables, they still contain lower amounts of sugar than cakes, biscuits, and sweets. Additionally, fruits also contain other essential nutrients and fibers that the body needs. Managing diabetes involves controlling blood glucose, fats, pressure, and weight, and fruits and vegetables can help with all of these. If you want to make sure you're on the right track, take note of these tips. They could make a big difference in the long run. When it comes to fruit, it is best to opt for fresh, frozen, or canned without any added sugars. If you are considering canned fruits, look for labels that say packed in its own juices, unsweetened, or no added sugar. Although dried fruits and 100% fruit juice can also be included in your diet, be mindful of their smaller portion sizes as they may not be as filling as other options. It's important for those watching their carbohydrate intake to understand the numbers. A small piece of whole fruit, or about half a cup of frozen or canned fruit, contains roughly 15 grams of carbs. Fresh berries and melons are usually served in portions, ranging from 3/4 to 1 cup, while fruit juice typically contains 1/3 to 1/2 cup for the same amount of carbs. Dried fruits may seem innocent, but just 2 tablespoons of raisins or dried cherries can contain 15 grams of carbs, so it's important to exercise portion control. Swapping carb sources for fruit is a smart move that brings nutrition and sweetness to your meal, replacing starches, grains, and dairy. If you're following the diabetes plate method, try to imagine your plate with a good amount of non-starchy vegetables, a smaller portion of starch, protein-rich foods, and now, a small piece of whole fruit or a half cup of fruit salad for dessert. It's all about balance, and incorporating fruits into your meals can be a delightful and healthy part of that equation. Understanding the glycemic index is very important. Most fruits have a low glycemic index due to their fructose and fiber content. When it comes to managing diabetes, you don't have to completely avoid the natural sweetness of fruits. Instead, you should make informed choices, keep an eye on your portions, and understand how fruits can fit into a healthy and diabetes-friendly diet. Let's take a look at the best fruits for those with diabetes. Number 1. Citrus fruits. These fruits are not only beneficial in terms of blood sugar, but are also rich in nutrients that help reduce inflammation and support healthy glycemic control. Citrus fruits contain antioxidant compounds, such as naringenin, which are known for their powerful anti-diabetic properties. Oranges and grapefruits are great options for people with diabetes because they are low on the glycemic index. Number 2. Peaches. Peaches are not only deliciously juicy and sweet, but they also come with a host of nutritional benefits. These fruits are rich in potassium, which is an essential electrolyte for optimal body function, and vitamin C, which is vital for a healthy immune system. Additionally, with a low glycemic index of 28, peaches are an excellent choice for people who have diabetes, as they will not cause a sudden spike in blood sugar. Number 3. Apples. Apples are low glycemic index fruits that contain soluble fiber, which slows down sugar absorption into the bloodstream. Research indicates that consuming apples regularly may help individuals with poor blood sugar control. Apples are considered a valuable addition to a diabetes-friendly diet due to their anti-diabetic compounds and soluble fiber. Number 4. Apricots. These little bites of sunshine are packed with fiber and vitamin A, making them a great addition to your diet. Apricots are a low glycemic fruit, meaning they don't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels, making them an excellent choice for those with diabetes. Number 5. Berries. They are high in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which have been proven to help improve glycemic control. Studies have shown that adding berries to your diet can help reduce insulin and blood sugar levels after meals. Blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are excellent sources of nutrition for people with diabetes. Number 6. Avocados. Avocados contain low levels of carbohydrates and high levels of healthy fats. Being rich in monounsaturated fats, avocados have proven beneficial in controlling blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. The fiber present in avocados helps to reduce the sudden rise in blood sugar levels after meals, making them an excellent choice for those who follow a low-carb diet. Number 7. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are known for their many health benefits, which include reducing blood pressure and cholesterol levels and improving insulin resistance. The bioactive compounds found in pomegranate juice and arils can help to reduce inflammation and protect against cellular damage. Studies have shown that consuming pomegranate products can be particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes. Here are some additional fruits that you can include. Pears. Packed with fiber and essential nutrients, they have a low glycemic index and glycemic load, which means they won't cause a significant spike in blood sugar levels. Kiwis. These small, oval-shaped fruits are low in calories and packed with essential nutrients like potassium, fiber, and vitamin C. They have a moderate glycemic index, which means that they do not cause a rapid rise in blood sugar levels. Kiwis are a great option for people with diabetes to consume, but in moderation. While most fruits are low or medium on the glycemic index, some fruits have a higher glycemic index and can cause a more rapid spike. It's important to be aware of these fruits and make wise choices while still enjoying their natural sweetness. Some examples of such fruits are watermelons and pineapples. It's worth noting that the glycemic index of pineapples may vary depending on the country of origin. High glycemic index foods can cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. However, people with diabetes can safely eat these fruits if they pay attention to their sugar intake and plan accordingly. To better manage blood sugar levels, it is recommended to eat only one serving of fruit at a time and pair it with a protein or fat source. Fruit juice may seem like a healthy choice, but it is recommended to avoid it. Most fruit juices lack the fiber present in whole fruits, which can cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. Dried fruits, on the other hand, can be high in sugar despite containing fiber. Therefore, it is important to manage your portion sizes when consuming dried fruits. Understanding how fruits affect blood sugar levels is crucial in effectively managing diabetes. By making informed choices, controlling portion sizes, and considering the glycemic index, individuals with diabetes can enjoy the many benefits of fruits without negatively impacting their health. It's important to maintain a balance and choose options that promote overall well-being. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to choosing the right fruits for diabetes. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Nourishing HR, for more valuable content on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Don't forget to check out our recommended video, this next video, for further insights into optimizing your diet. Which of these is your favorite fruit? Mine has to be peaches. Write down your in the comments below. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below too. We love hearing from our amazing community of health enthusiasts. Thank you for watching, and remember, your health is in your hands. Stay tuned for more informative videos, and until next time, take care.